Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at X reports on the ER-260EJ register. So most cash registers, including the 260, will have two report modes. They'll have an X mode and a Z mode. The key difference between the two is that Z will reset the data back to 0, whereas X will not. So you run an X report and it'll give you the information. A Z report will give you the same information but will reset it. So you would run an X report during a sales period to see how well you were doing, perhaps, and you would run the Z when you were happy to close the trading period and cash your till up. So if we look at the X reports on this machine, the most common one, when you turn the key to X mode and go into X reports, would be your financial. Financial on this machine is your takings, effectively. So it has all the same information that a Z1 report would have. It's timed and dated. You have the total number of sales by PLU and then the tax splits, any discount information. It's exactly the same as your end of day Z report, but it hasn't reset the information, so it's still there. You can still add sales to it. So if I go back to the reg mode and put some sales in, those sales there, that £13.50, will have added on to the X report that I've just done when I come to do my end of day Z report. If I turn the key round to Z and run the Z report, same Z report, this will be identical to the X report, except it'll have that additional £13.50. So what have we got? What's the quickest way of telling? I've got my PLU sales at the top of 422.20, and then now they're 435.70, so they've increased, and then my cash in draw should have increased as well, so it's gone from 65.85 up to 79.35. The Z has wiped that information, so if I run another Z it'll be at 0, and likewise if I go back to X and run the X financial report, there will be no data on it because the Z has reset the information, so it's ready for the next day's trading. If we clear out of there, there's a few other reports you can run in the X mode. You have time, so that'll show you the report, the sales by time period, so you can see when your busiest hours are. PLU, so that's information on the most popular PLUs and your PLU sales. Sales by clerk, group, mix and match if you use them, stock if you use them, and then also electronic journal if you've enabled that. Okay, so I hope that's been helpful. X reports, one of the most common question cash register dealers get asked is, my till's not resetting the reports, it just keeps adding up. And the most common cause for that is people mistakenly running X reports as their end of day Z reports. So the crucial thing to remember is, if you're cashing the till up or reconciling the till, or you finished your trading period, don't run the X because it's information only. Turn the key to Z and that'll reset the data for the following day's trading. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. Got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER-260 and other Sam4S cash registers, which you're welcome to check out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.